a rectangular chart paper of 8 cm by 13 cm. Fold the rectangle into half. Place it vertically, fold it into half again, and then unfold it. Fold the left and the right edge into a triangle. Now turn it around and fold the triangles again. Take the left edge and tuck it in the triangle. Repeat the same with the right side as well. Corners into a triangle. Now tuck the triangles inside. Bring the top flaps down. So this is how our butterfly bookmark looks like. You can decorate it the way you want.